I'm going to show you an affiliate product that can help you to build your email list. You know that money is in the email list. The email list is one of the biggest online assets any entrepreneur can have. Right, before I give you the details in this video, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online. And if you're looking for ways and means of making money online, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. So without wasting any more time, my friend, let me show you this affiliate product that you can use to build your email list whilst making money in the process. The product is found on clickbank.com. You just come in and you sign up for free on ClickBank if you don't have an account yet, right? And then you go to the search bar, type on the search bar 12-minute affiliate, and you click search. And then this product comes. It says the 12-minute affiliate system. You bring a customer that buys this system, you're going to get $161. But you have got a potential of making more because this product has got upsells. Yes, you're going to make money, but is the email list bit about this product that I want to show you. But before I get there, let me show you the affiliate page. So this is the gentleman behind the product, and you can make up to $456 per sale. Over 3,400 affiliates already marketing this product, and you can get your affiliate link from there. The 12-minute affiliate system is a plug-and-play system, okay? And you've got all that. You can have a look at some testimonials, and this is how you can make money. Refer to the other video that I've already made, right? And you can see the swipes here. Let me take you to the back office of this product because I have it. So this is the back office of the 12-minute affiliate system, right? They say 12-minute because they say if you know what you're doing, it should take you 2 minutes to set up your account, to get your autoresponder, right? To set up your autoresponder step by step, to activate your 12-minute affiliate funnels. Actually, they've got some done for you funnels right there. Also an option of doing custom funnels, right? And you've got an option of hiring these people, of paying these people, and then they set up the whole system for you. But I wouldn't recommend that because you, as a standalone entrepreneur, you have to know how to set up your autoresponder. You have to know how to do your funnels. You have to know how to drive traffic to your affiliate links, right? That is basics of anyone who is trying to make money online. I would recommend that you go through the process yourself. If you're still a beginner, this is a good exercise because they've got tutorials. If you click here, you get a booklet of the step-by-step instructions that you need, right? You also have some videos that can show you how to do it. So it's best for you to learn step-by-step. And once you have learned it, it means it's in you and you are good to go. You are good to tackle anything. They've got done for you traffic. On the left-hand side, that's getting started. And then this, if you click step by step, it shows you the different components right there, different things. Get your traffic, get one-on-one coaching and support. They've got even a phone number. You can call them, right? Before 6 p.m. Eastern time. You've got an option of getting 3 different niches. The home business niche or make money online. Then they've got the weight loss niche and then the personal development niche, right? You can collect all of them for the same amount, $9.95. You get into the system. Okay, so it's a very low dollar entry kind of product, but the value is good. Where I'm emphasizing today is the list building bit. So you can get your done for you traffic. So if you click Home Business there, you get to your instant funnels, or you can get to custom funnels depending on your level of understanding, right? So if you click the instant funnels, you see the different funnels right here, the opt-in page and the bridge page. So, and that's my affiliate link. It will be your affiliate link. You just copy it right there, and then you can buy a domain, and then you mask it, and you're good to go. The done for you traffic, the 12-minute affiliate system is partnered up with some top traffic providers on the entire internet. Our traffic providers only deal with top tier traffic, okay? That is US, Canada, England, Australia, and they're not talking about New Zealand right there, but English-speaking countries, okay? So when you click Get Traffic right there, you come to this page and you choose the type of traffic, either home business, weight loss, personal development, but me, I took home business. And when you click home business, you choose the amount of traffic that you need, the amount of visitors that you need each time. So here, 90 to 100 visitors, it's $99. So you can get cheaper traffic from somewhere else, it doesn't matter. But as long as you are driving traffic, quality traffic to your affiliate link, that's fine, or to your opt-in page. The good thing is that you are not just driving traffic to a sales page, but you are driving traffic to an opt-in page. Traffic that you're driving right here is going straight into your autoresponder. And that's where you are building your email list. Money is in the email list. An email list is one of the biggest assets that you can have as an entrepreneur. I'll show you in a minute my own autoresponder hooked to the 12-minute affiliate system. So you can get other traffic methods right there, okay? 16 ways to get free traffic to your website. You can download PDF right here. And you can go to advanced services, my autoresponders. If you click there, it brings you here. It shows me Aweber, and then you can get your domains. This page will walk you through how to get your own domain and integrate it with your 12-minute affiliate system. Simply read each section below and get all your questions answered and complete the process. It's good to get a domain and you mask your affiliate link. Why would you need a domain? Right, so we're still talking about building an email list. And the way your affiliate link or your opt-in page looks is important, okay? So they break it down right here, why you need an affiliate link, why you need a domain. It could improve your email deliverability and your ability to post on social media, okay? Right, so, and they give you an example right there, break it down. How do I choose the right domain? They give you the answer right there, okay? And how many domains can I have? They give you the answer right there. Like I said, this is a fantastic product. It's full of information, valuable information that you might need depending on your level, right? Getting started, you start. The other cool part is the education center. So all the webinars that have been done in the past, you can listen to, you can get into the webinars and you can get more education, more information, how to get into the top 1% of affiliate marketers. So this is a very informative video that you would want to listen because it emphasizes the importance of having an email list. that this guy was failing for 7 years and he cracked the code. He got the importance of building an email list and nurturing an email list. So then you've got here how to send a broadcast message, how to get discounted traffic to your opt-in page. You are on a budget. So that's the education center. Then you have the emails. Click here to access the email swipes for the make money online or home business niche. So you've got different swipes right here for the weight loss, for the make money online, for personal development niches. Click that one, you can see up to 80 swipes that we have. This system does 3 months of following up someone who leaves their name and their email address. That's cool. Because many people don't buy straight away when they see an offer. They need time to think about it. And in most cases, they need to be exposed to the opportunity for at least 7 times. And then they can make their decision. All that education is inside this system. 12-minute affiliate integration center, how to add external tracking codes, how to set up additional autoresponders like MailChimp and GetResponse, how to change headlines and other text on pages, okay? Inline editing, how to use your own domain, and so forth. Personal development library. That is, if that is your niche which you have chosen, you can get in there, all right? And top products. This system, you've got other top products incorporated. You have John Cristani's super affiliate system, Auto Webinar Funnel. You've got that one, 6-figure Success Academy. These are all top products from ClickBank. And once you get in, you are exposed to them. Let me show you now how it looks on my autoresponder. I'm going to show you my campaign. So this is the home business follow-up sequence. I've just started with this system. You can see the open rates right there, 40%, 60%, 50%, right? So people are already getting into my autoresponder through the 12-minute affiliate system. I'm beefing up my email list from there. This is a fantastic affiliate product that you can use to build your email list, my friend. And I'll leave a link in the description below for you to use. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet next time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see each other in the next videos.